you know, this is that everyday look, that you want to wear when you go to school because you don't want to be too glam, but you want to be kind of glam because you don't want to walk into school looking like a dry-faced hoe. This is that. This is, I got to go to work today, but, you know, I don't really feel like doing a lot, but I still want to look cute. This is that. What else? This is, he just said he'll be here in 30 minutes, so let me get cute. This is that look. Hey girl, hey, it's LoKardash and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we did this really pretty, soft, everyday makeup look. You know, I felt a little bougie today, so we used all high-end products. I did do a talk through, so stay tuned. All right, girls, before we do brows, I am going in with my Fenty Beauty primer. This primer is so bomb, y'all. Like, if any of you have tried the Hourglass primer, that's like 50 bucks, but the sample size is like 20 bucks. This reminds me so much of that. The only part I'm gonna do off camera is my eyebrows because y'all know these eyebrows take all day and ain't nobody got time for that. As usual, for the eyebrows, I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia Dipbrow in the color Chocolate. All right, excuse the mirror being too close for a sec, girls. I wasn't showing you guys how I filled in my brows, but now I'm just going in with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel to just set them in place. Because I don't know about y'all, but my brow hairs definitely like move around throughout the day. I want to do more like talk through videos like this so you guys can get to know my personality and like feel like we're actually getting ready together, you know. So after that, I'm gonna go with my foundation. Now, don't come for me because this foundation, this is the new Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. I received it exclusively from influencer because they wanted to know my opinion about it. So this video isn't sponsored, but I did get sent this foundation for free. I'm in the color Tan Y480, and you guys, this is not my color at all. You're gonna definitely see it when I start putting it on, but I promise you, once I powder and put concealer and everything on, this foundation is going to match me perfectly. This foundation I have worn already, so I can tell you guys my true thoughts about it. This foundation lasted me through a night of partying, and I party hard. Like, I'm just gonna admit that. Now, on camera, I don't think you can really tell that it's not my color, but in person, you can definitely tell that it is not my color, honey. So what I do is just put it on my face, and then I go in with a beauty sponge and I blend it all out. But anyway, I wore this foundation from 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. in the afternoon up until, I want to say 1 a.m. And it lasted me like throughout that entire time. This foundation gave me like a really flawless finish, which is why I wanted to specifically wear it for this everyday makeup routine, because I would say this foundation is medium to full coverage. And when I put it on, it was like my problems erased. Like, girl, what are pores? What are dark circles? What are veins? Like, it just covered up everything. Oh, girl. Is it summer already or what? And my skin just looks so freaking smooth. Like, it could also be that Fenty primer. You know, shout out to Rihanna. But yeah. Boom. That's foundation. For concealer, I am going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know, y'all. This is my holy grail, so don't come for me again, because are we boycotting Tarte or are we just boycotting the new foundation? I don't know, but this is bomb. So I'm going in with this. Cool. Now I am going to go in with my KatVonD setting powder. And I thought it would be a cute idea to, at the end of this video, tell you guys how much my face cost after doing this full high-end makeup look. And I specifically used the KatVonD powder because I feel like it's definitely, I feel like it's a little lighter than my Laura Mercier, and because this foundation was a little darker, I decided to use this powder to just make sure everything brightens and not necessarily, not really just sets everything, but that it sets and brightens everything. To contour, I am going in with my Tarte MakeupShayla. I am going to use, I think I'm going to mix both colors together. Clearly the two contour colors. And yeah. And I don't want to bronze a lot because that'll defeat the purpose of me trying to brighten things to make the foundation bright. Well, to make the foundation my shade. But I'm going to contour enough to snatch these cheeks, honey. Oh, yeah. And then I'm going to go in with another brush because I feel like there is a lot of contour powder. And this one, I'm just going to go in with this bigger brush and just blend. I am going to go back in with the KatVonD powder and just clean up the contour. Let me snatch these cheeks. Y'all, I'll be filming right in front of my window, and I just know sometimes my neighbors be like, what is she doing? Because people stay walking in front of my house. But it's because the girl just be in her face, you know? I think I'm going to put on mascara. I'm not going to put my lashes on camera because my lashes aren't high end. Like I said, I didn't want it to bake that long. So right now I'm just going to apply my mascara. I am using the Lash Domination Mascara from Bareminerals. And then I am going to wipe off the setting powder and put on my lashes. Y'all see that? You ain't got to be this chiseled for an everyday look, but girl, you do though. All right, you guys, my lash glue is still drying, but now we're going to move on to one of my favorite parts, if not the most favorite, is highlighter. I am going in with the Artist Contour highlighter in Conceited. I'm conceited. I got a reason. I am not wetting my brush. And that's why I'm not wetting my brush. Come through, highlighter. Come through. Are you kidding me? Like, seriously? And it gives you that wet glow, which is what I love. I don't like a streak of highlighter. I like my highlighter to look, I don't want to say natural because like what is that? But I want it to look like my face is like literally wet in certain areas, not a streak of highlighter. So y'all know more highlighter. You know what I'm saying? Now for the last step, we're going to do lips. And in honor of me uploading on Wednesdays and me wearing my You Can't Sit With Us Mean Girl shirt on Wednesdays, we wear pink lipstick. I am going in with the color Snob by MAC, and I think I'm gonna go on top with, what's this, Oyster Girl lip gloss from MAC as well. First, I'm going to line my lips. Now don't walk out the house like this. Please don't. The secret, y'all, to just actually have a whole lip liner video. The secret is to just line before, line after, move your lips together and line again. Like, girls really think they can't wear these light lip colors, and they can. You just gotta play with it. But please don't walk out the house like this, especially my dark skinned babies, because I see too many of y'all look like this and it is not popping. Okay? And then I'm gonna go back in with the lipstick again. Okay, now lip gloss. And that's it, I think, right? I think that's it. Except for the most important step, MAC Fix Plus. And as y'all see, I just love to bathe in it. Love it. All right, girls, so that is the end of today's look. Came out, you know, good as usual. I mean, nothing new. We are glowing as usual, and I am obsessed as usual. If you guys want to, you should subscribe to my channel. You should leave me a comment. You should leave me a like, you know what I'm saying? You should go watch my other videos, and you should also come back for more. I'm LoKardash, and I'll see you girls soon with a new one. Bye.